guys, this is Bushra, artist photographer from my studio here in Panama City Beach, Florida. Alright, so I quickly wanted to share with y'all a before and after of this gorgeous female that I've been working on, her image. This is the before and this is the after. And I quickly wanted to go over the process, like my strategy for doing edits for females that are especially blondes. As you can tell, she has lighter hair. All right, so first and foremost, I eliminate those strands that are causing some sort of a distraction, and they take away from the overall beauty or the smoothness that I was initially going for. I mean, some of it I still want to keep, like these, because they are adding to the overall like a flow and like smoothness of the image, but those that are going in the opposite direction, like you can see, like as in the T going across, these or they stand out because of them being lighter color, because obviously she's blonde, then I've gotta get rid of them and see like how the image looks better. And then your impact, the original impact that I'm wanting is like on the mood and where she's looking at, which I have, by the way, no idea what she's looking at. It was something probably on the floor, like a piece of fabric or something. But anyways, so the impact comes back when the distraction is gotten rid of. All right, so I used the spot healing brush, and I'm quickly going to show you. Oh, by the way, I try to, when I'm editing images, like the basic editing, when I do it myself, I will keep this to 100%, and look like this. Pretty simple. And I use the command and the subtraction key or the addition key on my MacBook for increasing and decreasing the size. And then I use the dodge and burn tool using the parentheses and the function key to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Oh, here, sorry. Maybe able to tell like this. All right, so I have the exposure set to like 19%. I keep it lighter. So, if I don't want to make big mistakes going harder. The lighter it is, it's better for me to work in layers. Like, see how, like this. So I use the dodge and burn in this area. So basically, that's pretty much it. And I use some sort of like a milk and cookies filter. And just these two tools. I am keeping all her skin texture because it is, she's absolutely beautiful, and her skin texture is really nice. And it has like a lot of character to it, so I just want to keep that. I hope you get some value out of this, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments or shoot me a message. Alrighty, thank you.